Welcome. As you guys can see, I'm doing my laundry. Doing some laundry. You know, my shirt. You see that? My shirt. Kituko behind the camera. The last time we did a video, I did a video about Kituko doing some laundry. So this time, he decided to do some to do mine. So just there doing the laundry, trying to do some wash, and put it out there. You know, I'm sure this should be clean. Look at it, it's clean, right? Okay, yeah, I think this is clean. Yeah, it should be clean because I remember the last time it is gonna stop. You know. Bro, what do you think about washing clothes with a hand? With your hands like this?
I hate it, you guys.
You don't like washing clothes with your hand?
No.
Yeah, I love it like this, you know. I really love washing clothes with my hands. But, you know, there are some times, not all the dresses that I love washing with the hands. Especially those jeans. When it comes to jeans, I don't like washing jeans with my hands, you know. I hate it. When they are jeans, I don't like it, you know. These are also one of the things that like making someone to, you know, look for a girl to keep at home. Like, you know, a lady can have a lady to keep at home that can be doing all this stuff, all the house chores like washing and washing of clothes like this one, like exactly what I'm doing right now. You know. Just got some shirts here. I know like you guys might be wondering why am I just hanging it up at once. The issue is like I already washed these clothes, so I'm just doing some rinsing. I'm just used to it. When I want to rinse my clothes, I still put some, you know, blue on it. You know, some, you know, like clothes washer on it again when I'm rinsing it, because I just feel like it's gonna give. I just feel like because it's gonna give us the perfume. There's this, you know, fine scent of the cloth washer. That's the blue. That's why I always put blue. Even when I want to, you know, rinse the dress, I always add blue on it, because when it gets dry, the scent sticks on it. You know, giving your dress, you know, a good scent, you know, making it scent good, the perfume of it. That's why I always do that.
I don't do mine like that, you guys.
Yeah, I do mine like that. I do mine like this because I love it this way, you know. You know, not just like something when you wash your dress, whenever you finish, whenever you're done, you don't even know if you wash it or not. It has to be, you know, be smelling some perfume on it, you know. But the blue got some perfume on it. That's why I have to put out of the perfume whenever I'm rinsing. Also,
What's the blue?
blue is the clothes washer, the detergent that we always use.
Oh.
The detergent that we always use.
People
That's
want to know. Hey, you guys, you want to see the scenery, you guys? Look at that, you
show
guys.
them, yeah, show them.
Banana trees. And there's some bananas on there, you guys.
Yeah. No, they're already.
Africa. Guys,
See how it is, you know.
it's all due, you guys.
Shout out you all, giving a shout out to everybody, you know. All the Hoy's family. Shout out to you guys.
Yes.
You know, we appreciate. Now I'm in the process of washing some shorts. I'm rinsing my shorts, you know. So those shorts right now, I'm just rinsing the shorts. The dresses I ain't that, you know, much, you know. I ain't got many dresses, just a few of these. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Hanging it up right there. And putting the stuff. Before I forget, you see the face mask? You know, after we use the face mask, we got no choice. I have to wash because because I ain't got money to be paying the face mask every day. Let me know what you think. Like, you have your own face mask, like, do you always wash your face mask and reuse it, or you just use it once? Let us know, because these are some of mine. You know, I got like 5 of these, you know. So you let me know, you just let me know if you are that type of person, you don't like using face mask twice. But to me, I can use this more than now. I don't even have, and I can't even count, you know. I can use it as long as it is still good. It looks good. When I use, I wash, and reuse again. I don't use a single one, because this is fabric, you know. This is fabric. It's not like the other ones, the Chinese ones, the single use. This is fabric. You can use it as many times as you want. All of this, look at, you see that it's fabric, you know, good fabric. That's why you see, wash off the mask each time when you use it. Have to wash it and dry it, you know, hang it up, so that next time again I'm still gonna, like, you know, use it. Just let me know what you think. Let me know your own. If you are the type of person you don't like using face masks twice, you just love the single use, and that's it. And, you know, I love that one, because I think like it is economical, you know. It's really economical, and it helps you save money, because that's like 500. It's like 500 CFA funds. 500 CFA funds. That's close to $1. Kituko, that's close to $1. 500. Just imagine, like, if you are using it single use, how many times? Because face mask should be composed always, anywhere you want to go. You have to put the face mask. So you see that you're gonna spend a whole lot of money. You're doing a single use, that means you can. Sometimes you can use like 2-3 a day. You know, if you're using 2, that's already like $2 you're already spending. If you're using 3 a day, that's already $3 you're spending for that day, just on face mask. Which, that doesn't really sound good.
I can't wait for this shit over with.
Yeah, it's gonna be over soon. I'm sure, definitely. Now they started giving the vaccine. I'm sure maybe, you know, they're going to, you know,
It's gonna get worse.
let people at ease a little bit. Now this is my best spread. This is the best spread. So I don't know. I think I'm going to do this twice. So this one I'm going to do it twice. Now I have to stay. I have to still add it up. I need to throw this water over there. Whether they will like it or not.
Dude, for the trip. He's home right now.
Add the water. See. Then add it again. The reason why I'm doing this one, rinsing this one twice, because it's the best spread. So I don't really need the perfume on the best spread, because if I put the perfume on it, if I want to sleep, you know, it's just like I'll be breathing the air. I'll be breathing that perfume air, of which is not good. You know, it can be harmful to my heart. That's why I'm doing it twice, like this. So I want to remove the detergent on it, all of it on it. That's why I'm doing it like that. But it's still good though, even though some people like it. Just stick on it, but I don't really like it. And I just feel like it's going to cause something bad. It's going to cause something bad, that's why I'm doing it that way. There are 2, but I decided to wash one, you know. I read the other one because I can't wash all of them at the same time. It's stressful. That's why very, very stressful. to watch just a single one is very stressful. So that's why I had to just watch only this one and see how I can hang it up somewhere in here.
Listen.
It ain't really clean that no. I can see some. Is this in, I don't know if this is staying or what. No, it should be okay like that.
Need a washing machine.
That should be okay like that. I feel like there should be some stains. You know, I don't know where those stains are coming from. Because I don't know where those stains are coming from. I know you're thinking like it stains from heating. No, it stains from any heating, man. I just normal stains.
You heard it, you guys.
There are no stains from heating. I know some of you be thinking like they are all stains from heating. No way. No. You know how it goes, like sometimes maybe there are stains maybe from my feet or you know from my dress, something like that. Yeah.
Let us know if it clean, you guys. In the comment section, what you think, you guys.
It's clean. Isn't it clean? This is clean, 100% clean. Clean. I know Kaya will say that this bedspread is not clean. Yeah, it's clean. I know she's gonna say that. No, it's clean though. It's clean. Kaya always says it's not clean. It's clean. For me, it's clean. I don't know about your own cleaning, because my own cleaning is my own cleaning. I think like it's clean. All of them are clean. Very, very clean. Sparkly clean. All the stuff, you know. So this is how we do it. Exactly how we do it here.
We got free water from the air conditioner.
Yeah, it's this water.
We
The
drop
water being filled up here.
on
I'll show them.
and fill it up.
This water filled up here.
All
This
this
is water from the air conditioner. From this air conditioner,
We take that
you know, we
loose.
take the pipe, we remove it like this,
Yeah.
you know. So we put it there. You see,
Yeah.
you see that? We just put it there like that,
From the AC.
and the water just coming out from the AC, fill up. Sometimes it's full. This the whole of this place, whole of this, you know, this drum up to, you know, start flowing right downward.
Oh,
That's the water. It's the water from the AC.
oh, my shit dirty.
Yeah, I need to clean it up. I got some clean rocks here.
I step in the water.
I think I can clean it up. Cleaning. This is the way I do my own cleaning. It's my cleaning. I don't know about you guys, but this is my own cleaning.
Backbreaker.
That's this how it's sparkling everywhere. This is it. Going home. go that way. If you
I
can.
need to step on it.
Yeah.
Still dirty. And get the back side. Step on this side.
Okay, everybody, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you find it interesting. Just done with the cleaning, you know. Now to see the other things that we're going to do. Just done the washing and the cleaning also. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up and click on the notification bell. I always see you as a humble boy. You know, no other person high in the building. You know, I'm high in the building. Got Kituko X behind the camera himself. You all go subscribe to Exodus Gabon. Make sure you subscribe to our second channel, Exodus Gabon. You all subscribe to Exodus Gabon and click on the notification bell so that each time we drop a video, you're gonna be notified. We'll see you guys in our next video and have a nice time. No other person but hi in the building.
Leave you guys with the scenery, guys.